Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're going to show you our 71 GMC 1500 Super Custom. Got some aftermarket dual headlights up front there. Boy, the paint on it is, you can see the shine of that tree there, and just a beautiful, beautiful shine to it. So can't really find many imperfections on this truck. Rally wheels, lockouts. Good, like I said, good quality, not a lot of orange peel, just a nice shine to it. You can see the reflection of me and that trailer in it. So did the houndstooth for the interior. Here's some of the stats on it. Motor rebuilt in 2015, metal work done in 2015, tranny and transfer case 22, fuel lines, stereo, just a lot of stuff done to it. There you can see the dome light works. Really, the interior, nothing, everything looks great in it. So, oh, there's a flaw that I didn't see in a picture, so make sure you get a couple little scratches. They must have been when they were putting it together, had an issue there. Dual exhaust. Probably new bumpers, spray-in bed liner, metal floor. So just a beautiful truck, got a lot of metallic to it. Just a doors shut good. Maybe, yeah, there's one little prep issue. Probably when they prepped it, you got a little bubble down there on that door. But like I said, very few flaws on the truck. Good looking truck, short box, real short box, 4-wheel drive. So 350 automatic. Also watch the videos of it running and driving. 605-695-7391.